I'm Amanda. I'm in the software developer program at MITT. When I decided to come to Canada was when I decided to change my career. Since it's not my first degree, I was looking for something that would be fast to learn and something that would have a lot of projects, because what I want is to enter in the field as soon as I feel prepared. I started learning front-end and I started learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and now I'm learning React. Being a career that I know that I will be learning new skills all the time is something that is exciting for me. If you want to get into the IT field, I totally think MITT is the best option, because you're gonna have a lot of projects to train your skills, and they have a lot of good instructors, so you'll be in good hands.